Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Reddit messages not loading on your mobile device. First of all, make sure your Reddit app is updated to the latest version. Next, check your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa to see if the messages load properly. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection is the real issue. After that, try clearing the Reddit app cache. On your phone, go to your settings app. After that, tap on General. Then go into iPhone storage. Then find Reddit in the list of apps and tap on it. And finally, tap on Offload app. Now, make sure Reddit servers are not down. You can quickly check this by visiting Down Detector or searching Reddit server status on your browser. If servers are down, you will need to wait until Reddit fixes it. Lastly, try logging out and logging back into your account, and that's all. By updating the app, checking your connection, clearing cache, confirming server status and relogging, you should be able to fix Reddit messages not loading on your mobile device.